So yes guys, we're back. We'll start now. We'll start with the peas. Unfortunately, we have no
pressure cooker, right?
So you know how long this is going to take. We're going to have about a good
probably 30 to
30
minutes.
So we need to just do
For the peas to cook.
the chicken and probably the stuff. And look here guys, you ever see this before? No fun in Jamaica, never see this yet.
Kind of the thing, or is it a race out of Jamaica?
I guess it's black. But see here, it's good. Actually, it was like mixed down.
Okay, so we have the peas boiling with garlic and some pimento seeds. Here we have pre-seasoned chicken. I'm going to grease these baking tins and put the chicken in there and then place it in the oven to bake at 350 for about 45 minutes.
And check it and see if it needs a little extra time, you know?
Yeah, and baste it, I guess, maybe every 15 to 20 minutes so that it keeps the moisture and nice and juicy when you're done.
Let me see for this lovely piece of pork. For 2 pieces, 3 pieces, we're going to bring it outside and we're going to put it on the grill. We can't have pork in a pot and then I'll put it on the grill.
Maybe if we had a cast iron skillet.
Yeah, we'd have done it that way.
On the grill, get a nice smoky flavor. So yeah, stay tuned, to the nice and the cooking and everything that's gonna happen. Thank you. Yes. Where is the food?
No chiffon here guys, so I have to use
Our margarine. Where's the thick one name?
margarine.
Margarine.
We're a busy margarine.
Western family.
Western. Works well.
Alright, we're gonna place this inside down first. So that when we flip it over, the skin can get a nice color.
You know, you don't do the opposite where you put on the bone first, bone side down and then the skin is up. You want to do the skin last. So you get it nice and crispy and brown and lovely.
That's the neat one. Okay, so we decided to change it to just one container, and now the oven has been preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to place it in the oven. Okay, let's test it. Okay, yeah, it's nice.
Fire's jerk, even though it's not jerk seasoning upon it, So Jamaicans don't come at us. We're just trying to adapt.
Alright, this artificial coconut milk. Let's even have some seasoning, something in there. This is some
No, it's a trash can. This is the chicken.
baked chicken, grilled pork, some grilled salmon, some nice healthy Jamaican rice and fruits. I put the Jamaican in the Jamaican rice and fruits, right?
scanty, you know? Please them not scanty. Now I'll show you again, but please them not scanty.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so, and also ask your friends and your family and everyone just to come onto this channel. Just bring them right over here and get them to subscribe and click the notification bell.
Guys, remember to live, love,
And encourage.
Yes, as you guys know, we have migrated and we are so excited to share this part of our journey with you guys. So stay tuned. We have a lot of content coming with our experience